That is, I hope they're not that aggressive. Whatever hive it is, I hope they aren't that aggressive. But you can see that swarm that we got in Mascoutah is freaking awesome. Well, both of these are. They're both doing a great job. So you can see them flying in and out right here. And then up this way, take a peek at the orange hive. I'm going to put my hood up because I don't want to make them nervous. So we got an entrance of juicer on just to make sure that they're not bothered. We could probably take it off now. So they're doing pretty good. It's been over a month. Mr. Honeybee coming to check out the camera. So well, you can see these guys, they're freaking coming in and out left and right. So very happy how these hives are turning out. So very well established. Looking at these hives the other day, we probably need to go on and put supers on. They're really pumping some stuff out, especially with everything around here that's in bloom. So these guys are all coming back. So I'm going to set this down for a couple of minutes. So you just guys enjoy the view. Okay, that's enough. So let's just go look at this white hive real quick. I don't plan on staying there, but you can see the clover right here, and there's clover there. So it's all in bloom. Give it a few minutes. We planted some irises. There was a lot of them. I don't know, something was eating them. You can tell a little chicken to get a little too close to the hives. You can see where I mowed and didn't. So they got water. Matter of fact, there's a honeybee, 2 or 3 honeybees here drinking. God, there's still plenty of water in there. It's kind of heavy. Got the rocks in so they don't drown. I tell you what, bees don't swim. Let's see if we can get a close-up of them. Now, these bees will go into the hive, and according to Dr. Seeley, who's got a PhD in beekeeping, he says that those bees will pass off the water to bees that are inside the hive to give to everybody else. They will walk around until they find somebody to give it to. So There's a bee that just went in and had pollen. So let's put this right here. There's 2 or 3 going in with pollen there. Isn't that freaking awesome? Okay, let's go leave them alone. And then we'll go this way.